Hello, my name is Luis Coss. I'm a 2020 Art-O-Rama artist for the Dougherty Art Center. I was born in Mexico and now I live here in Laredo, Texas. And I'm gonna share with you guys a little bit of my work. I started painting a few years ago in mini canvases. That's how I started painting. So I would like to keep some of those. Still do those once in a while. Here I have some more painted ceramic, some canvases, paintings, some wrestling mask, big wrestler fan. Most of my work is based on Mexican culture, so pre-Hispanic gods. That's Quetzalcoatl, feather serpent. Here we have a hummingbird painting. A rose painting. That's Coatlicue, another pre-Hispanic god. Huitzilopochtli, god of war. Here we have a little heart. Here's another Quetzalcoatl, god of wisdom. Coatlicue, another one. Xochipilli, another Quetzalcoatl. Tlaloc, god of water, rain. That's a painting that I did for a birding festival that we do here in Laredo. This is one of my last artworks. I think this one it's like 42 by 60 or something like that. Here's another Frida. Here's my setup, pretty basic. And here's another painting for the birding festival that we do here. So, that's about it, guys. Thank you and have a good day. Stay safe.